I have never witnessed anything as terrifying or as devastating as the entire Blue Mountains were burned.
So many cultural institutions are now turning away from oil money. They're refusing to accept it. But the British Museum is still accepting BP money for exhibitions like this.
BP are in fact looking to extract more fossil fuels in Australia as the country burns.
The choir were dressed as fire, and the 3 fiddle players were dressed as Nero, representing BP therefore, because Nero supposedly fiddled while Rome burnt.
BP is absolutely fiddling while the world burns. This exhibition is trying to kind of rehabilitate Nero in some way, trying to show him as a better character than his myth. And the British Museum is doing the same for BP. They're helping them to look better by accepting their sponsorship. And actually, BP sponsorship doesn't account for very much of the British Museum's income. It's only really the British Museum and the Science Museum that are still doing it, and they're looking really out of touch and really out of step now.
The bushfires killed over 1 billion animals. They killed 34 people. They destroyed over 2,000 homes. They burnt millions and millions and millions of hectares of wild bush across Australia.
We want people to see the connection between this dirty energy that is pushed upon us and the wildfires that are wrecking the habitats of billions of animals, destroying people's livelihoods and homes, and ultimately making our planet head towards uninhabitability.